unique.
Life is a journey, every day nilendeleni. Nibasiyan pala normal ngakona wakona. Just believe in myself, munu kolwa ikubona. Moyo wa mina kumbi hasi, I stay high like a stoner. And that combination, don't look back, I'm alone. Father's name, send it light, I'm a guest. I'm just tryna do my best in moments of family, my shine. Tsakona rirhandzu xin'we xi vuyela vutshamo. My little brother, he said fine, no he can't stop at nothing. I'm just tryna do my grandma milorwena kushiluni. I'ma get it on my own, and I hatiri munhu xin'we. I got sisters, I got nephews, now my heart is not the same. Every day na tatamela at the bottom can remain. If I aim for the stars, I go beyond and see them maker. I'm alive in all dimensions, I'm the highest with no breaker. I'm just tryna keep my mind with the way I will. Made a promise to my mama to go without you. Meditate and stay my faith, I can't believe what I saw. Life is sweet, I'm on young girl, I care. If she give me the connection, this I ring finger na mera. My energy crystallizing, higher soft on I'm clearing my vision, I don't pray, I listen. Free myself of the religion, to me that's the biggest reason. I need not this self-confidence, I just want perception. See my church on the misconception, I see so much deception. I need love in next life, I'm working on my liberation. I love all my exes, can't put none of them in shame. I just never met a girl who really put my life in blame. Bet if I would have body parts, but still missing the brain. I can't start at the bottom, I'm the best I'm in Bongoni. I'm just gonna be forever, but I'm in on the tune. Meditate and stay connected, I'm a G.O.D. Live up to my name, in middle turn up, long call me B. Can be wild by tomorrow, now my vision getting clear. I've been dark without being, facing life with no fear. Can be wild by myself, I will shake through that pain. I just want 100 billion for my people, yeah. Can be wild by my kids, they will find their own way. I just wanna take my queen to the spirit world, yeah. Let's go. That's your boy B Money, that's the freestyle. EP coming soon, stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
Unique.
Let's go.